So, you love doing everything manually in web design? Coding each line, tweaking each pixel, and testing every single button? Great, who needs AI anyway? Yeah, and while we're at it, how about we bring back the good old days of dial-up internet and floppy disks? They were quite practical, wouldn't you agree? But on a serious note, let's talk about how AI is revolutionizing web design and why you might want to jump on this train, or, well, risk being left at the station. Let's start with the democratization of AI. We're seeing no-code and low-code platforms such as Wix API, putting AI in everyone's hands, regardless of technical skill. Yes, you heard it right. Even your grandma can create an AI-powered website now. Imagine this, an AI-driven web designer that takes your simple instructions and crafts a fully functional, aesthetic website. Now isn't that handy? But you prefer coding everything yourself, right? And the benefits of AI in web design? First up, efficiency. An AI can generate designs in no time compared to human designers. Plus, it offers unprecedented customizability as AI algorithms learn and adapt to your preferences. But then again, why use an AI that can generate a unique design in seconds when you can spend hours doing it yourself? Think of the opportunities that AI web design offers. For freelancers, it's the chance to reduce the time spent on projects, allowing for more clients and higher earnings. For entrepreneurs, it's the chance to automate the web design process, making scaling up easier and cost-effective. But of course, staying traditional has its perks too, doesn't it? One thing to remember, AI isn't here to replace us, but to work alongside us. AI can offer quick solutions, suggest alternative methods, and boost overall efficiency. But hey, who needs efficiency when you've got all the time in the world? Let's not forget sustainable AI. As we strive to reduce our carbon footprint, AI can help optimize design processes to use less energy and resources. But of course, who cares about the planet when there are websites to design? How does AI stack up against traditional web design? Let's take website personalization. An AI website can dynamically adjust content based on user behavior, location, or visit timing. In contrast, a traditional website remains static and serves the same content to all users. Similarly, when considering speed and efficiency, a traditional website might take weeks to develop, while an AI tool like Wix API can deliver a customized website in hours. Of course, the goal is not to replace human designers, but to empower them with tools that can make their work more efficient and effective. Consider Taylor Brands, a successful online branding agency that leveraged AI to create a robust design platform. It's a shining example of how AI can streamline design processes and help businesses scale. You've seen those sci-fi movies, right? AI taking over, causing havoc and chaos? Well, don't worry. The AI in web design isn't plotting world domination. At least not yet. But seriously, whether you like it or not, AI is here, and it's reshaping the world of web design. So, it might be time to say goodbye to the do-it-all-myself approach and let AI share some of the burden. But of course, if you genuinely enjoy the manual design process, that's fine too. If you found this video insightful and want to keep up with the latest in web design, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And hey, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you a fan of manual web design, or are you ready to let AI step in? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, our next video is all about the art of crafting compelling ChatGPT prompts. Stay tuned for expert tips and tricks to create engaging content that can make you stand out in the AI-changing online world. Stay curious, stay inspired, and see you in the next one.